Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together.
Hi, Mike.
That sounds like Australia.
Press 1 for curbside takeout. Sorry. Bit the Outback a little bit too much.
Woo! Okay. All right.
Press 2 to Dawn in. Go ahead.
R.I.P. Steve Irwin.
Crikey.
The Crocodile Hunter. Anyway, okay. So let's get started. All right. So this next drink that we're about to do is called the Penicillin. All right. And yeah, I mean, I'm guessing it gets its name for its potency because there's 2 different scotches in here.
Damn.
So,
Well, that's all hard.
and we're gonna try each of them because we've never tried them before. That's what we. What did I miss?
Nothing.
I don't believe you.
He didn't say anything.
Okay. Don't believe it. Anyway, all right. So we're gonna try both of the scotches, and but we'll run through the ingredients real quick, and yeah, we'll get started from there.
Awesome.
Okay, so 1.5 ounce of our blended Scotch whiskey. So that's the one we just tried.
1.5.
Yeah, dog. So there's the one.
And there's the half.
Here's the top for that.
I can see why this is called penicillin already.
Yeah. I can tell off back you only need one of these to send you forth.
To conquer?
I don't know if you conquer in anything but your bed. The ginger liqueur, let's do, so it's 1/2 ounce of that.
Flip this way. What?
So,
Yeah.
got you. Like this? What the fuck? Oh no, okay.
It's one of those.
Woo!
It's intense, literally.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for it to pour out.
I know, I didn't want to, you know how some things will flow fast? And I was like, 1/2 ounce. Okay. Then we're gonna do 1/3 ounce of the peated Scotch whiskey. I mean, listen.
Half.
The ancestor, liquor math.
What is that?
1/3 ounce. I don't know, liquor math, bro. God, it is what it is, bro. Okay, so then,
You
what the
doing
fuck?
lemon or you
2/3 ounce of lemon juice. Listen, okay. I don't know what, okay, well.
2/3. Liquor man. Whatever the ancestors tell you.
Probably. Not quite. All right, that's all right. And then the honey syrup to round it out. This is also 2/3 ounce. Whatever. Once we have this, we are ready to shake.
Shake, but I'm not talking.
Oh, you could do that. That's not going to end well.
penicillin for nothing.
Yeah. Oof. Okay. Lean back.
I'm trying to figure out.
Lean back. I mean, we did liquor math, and so basically,
Fair.
it's
My
not
math
going.
was a little bit more off than yours, probably.
I don't even know if mine was accurate either. All right, cheers. Let's do this. Oh. Okay, what I can definitely taste is this will f your ass up. Yeah.
Put you to sleep.
It's night night. No, they don't. They don't. They don't. Pretend that I am Kevin Hart visiting Australia. Wanna go night night? Time to go night night. Like that's what you about to go night night. This is strong. Okay. However, the honey syrup does provide a level of sweetness.
It levels it out.
Which I think counteracts the scotches a little bit. What's interesting is I thought the ginger liqueur was going to overtake.
I think you're thinking more like the ginger puree.
Maybe.
That was a little bit more potent.
That was. Yeah, it was strong.
This is something I can keep.
This one, you keep that.
Yeah,
you keep that. Do that gotta be refrigerated after? I don't know, find out, read about it. Yeah. Anyway, okay, so giving a formal review. Okay, so when I saw that it had 2 scotches in it, first of all, I like scotch, but I was like, 2 different.
Sorry, gluten-free.
Gluten-free. Ooh,
One for those messed up stomachs of y'all. But go ahead, I'm listening.
So when I saw that there were 2 scotches involved, I was a little nervous just because I was like, this is about to be really, really strong. I enjoy scotch, but 2 different scotches. And then I was like, what is scotch? I have never,
They peated.
So peat moss, like the moss, like, is that what, because it said that is used to dry out the barley. I don't know. I need to do my research. Anyway, I find this pleasant, but strong. So 1 and done, in my opinion. I think this is an 8.5. I think it tastes very good. I just think that it's really strong. So if you are someone that is a lightweight, maybe don't even try
Think
this.
twice. Just tread lightly.
Just be careful because this isn't even the type of thing that sneaks up on you. I mean, it's very upfront. Like, it's gonna let you know, hi, I'm here. Mess with me if you want to, okay? So that's my impression. I do think, like I said, the honey syrup does, and the ginger liqueur do balance it out. So you get, it levels the playing field a little bit. And the lemon, where to the point where you're able to enjoy the taste. So it's not just that it's a strong cocktail, but you actually enjoy the taste of it.
Yeah, I agree.
Your thoughts?
I like this. I can see me ordering this. It may probably be a different recipe, knowing the states, how they go. But overall, I like this. I'm gonna be in alignment with you. I'm gonna give this a solid 8. It's definitely something you have to be careful about. Because too many of these might, it's not gonna cure you. It's gonna humble you. So be careful. So a solid 8 for me. I love the taste. It's well balanced and rounded out.
Yep.
You don't taste the scotch too much at all. But yeah. You ever opened up like the capsules? Because I know I myself is one where you take the medicine, you open up the capsule because you can't swallow a pill. No pun intended. And then, it tastes like something like that. Like it's good in the beginning, and then you have that little bit of potency in the back, but it's refreshing.
So as you're going, good night, mate.
Good night, mate. Press 1 for cups I take out. Press 2 for,
what's 2?
2 is for dining. 3 for hours of operation.
Oh.
Try all blooming onion. or Alice Springs chicken. That's pretty good. Y'all should try that. I don't. Do
Man.
y'all even have an Outback in Australia? Just
Probably
curious.
not. That has to be an
Inquiring
American.
minds would like to know because you know how you Popeyes in Louisiana. I just want to know.
So this is what I will say.
I just
Okay.
wanna know.
So the likelihood that they have one of these in Australia, very slim to none. Most people don't know that teriyaki, for instance, is an American construction. That is absolutely not Japanese.
So the U.S. is setting me up when I travel.
Something else. Alfredo, that's American.
So what about the yum yum sauce?
Oh, I can't answer that one. I don't know. I don't have no verification on that. I just know that Alfredo is an American construction. It was an Italian-American gentleman that discovered it, or not discovered it, sorry, like he just planted his flag down, but he created it based on, immigrating to the U.S. and then kind of figuring out what Americans had, like their taste buds.
So they're kind of like infused.
Yeah. And teriyaki, again, that's, if you go to Japan, you're not going to find teriyaki on anybody's menu. That's not a thing. That is American like shit.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Well, the more you know.
Reading Rainbow.
Wait, what?
Reading Rainbow?
But those two different things.
It is,
have you
but
watched
there's a
NBC?
yes,
Okay.
but the rainbow, I get it, right?
Butterflies in the sky. Think twice as high.
You see it? Isn't it? Take a look.
And read a book. Reading Rainbow.
Yeah.
I can't do anything.
All right. Wow. Good job. You remembered that. Oh my God. Okay. All right. So
Thank you. I appreciate you for all my childhood history because you know what? U.S. ain't because I thought teriyaki was definitely over there, and it's not.
It's not. Listen, okay, so this is strong,
This is good.
but you should try it.
Definitely try it.
And I know that there's probably different variations of this cocktail.
Call it a drink and a drug. Yep. Go ahead.
So just keep that in mind. We'll post obviously the recipe that we have tried here. We rated it pretty high, so I think you guys should at a minimum try it.
And if we didn't get the original recipe correct, because it says it's from Australia, please send us it. Let us know below in the comment section so we can try the original, straight from down under. Oh my God, I did that. Anyways, bow. Oh, y'all, I'll teach y'all that when I get over there. But anyway, nonetheless, like, comment, and subscribe.
do that.
Ring the bell. And follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok.
Also, let us know if there's any other cocktails you've tried from Australia that you think we should try. Be reasonable, okay? Because I know they have some things, particularly in the food space, that I'm like double.
I'm all game for a lot of stuff in Australia,
Like
except for their creatures and their animals. I'm sorry.
And also Vegemite, because no. It's a spread, and I've heard it's extremely funky. It smells like ass.
Real gamey or something?
I don't think gamey is the word. It stinks.
I don't want it. Next.
Yeah, but bottom line, the wildlife. Listen, it's one of those things. It's a catch-22 because I think they're kind of vicious. Okay, all right.
They're the nice ones compared to the other stuff.
We don't know that.
Have you seen snakes and spiders over there?
Yeah, it's reckless.
Diabolical.
It's reckless. I would like to visit, but just like my will to live.
Any Australian, please let me know in the comment section. Do y'all really eat blooming onions, or is that just an American
That's
thing?
probably American like
I'm
shit.
just curious. I like to know.
It just screams American for us to dissect an onion, put it in some batter and deep fry it. That screams American. That screams American.
Send me some Australian recipes so I can try it out. Thank you.
So
In the comment section.
Yeah. So we'll be back, and we'll be visiting a different continent. So yeah, cheers.